Nice.
Sweet.
Perfect. Okay. So what are you doing? How many months?
6 months.
6 months.
6 months yesterday.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Congratulations. So,
Thanks.
and then you've been doing what for exercise?
3 miles a day I run, and then I'll do free weights probably for about 20 minutes. So my workout's about an hour a day.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then you're working on top of that?
Yes.
Okay. So you're
Yeah.
on the computer?
10, 11, 10, 12 hours a day. Yeah.
No big deal, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, on the day's work. So,
It's not big.
Okay, so let's do this. Let's try it without it first and see how you feel.
Okay.
Some people, it's just to the comfort because you have that amniotic fluid that's protection of the baby. Now, how's that feel?
Yeah, I definitely feel a bubble in my stomach, but I mean,
Okay.
it's okay.
So if it's uncomfortable, we can just change that, okay? We'll just bring that up.
Probably 1 more month.
Yep, that's about it. Okay, definitely here. So line this side, face me. Let's have you sit up for a moment. And face that way. And scoot back a little bit. Good. And feet down that way. All right, so we're going to try this. Just relax grips that's underneath your chin. Is that okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, just relax. I got you. Perfect. Good. Beautiful. And line her back. And slide down a little bit. You got it right there. Perfect. Okay, feel that it kind of gets stuck
I do.
a little bit.
There's another one.
Yeah, right there. Good. There we go. Perfect. Nice.
Sweet.
Perfect. There we go. Let's sit up to the left. Yep, I'm gonna go right after this.
Oh, cool.
I'm gonna get this going. Look at that. There it was like a knot. Getting that curve back. Okay, line your back.
My back.
And slide down the table a little bit. And
Put the noose on my neck.
that's right. How's that feel?
Yeah.
It's okay?
All right.
Good. Take a deep breath. Yeah.
Oh, man.
Where'd you feel that?
Oh, just like the lower part of my neck.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
It feels kind of like it's really extreme when it first happens, but
Yeah.
then later on you feel the relief. Yeah.
It is.
That's really good.
I love that one.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's sit up and face that way one more time so we can get the rest of that. Yeah, but it is a great relief. Good. All right.
Thank you,
Power's
Doc.
on for both of you. Okay.
All right.